Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today we're going to be showing you our second generation Camaro Firebird front coilover kit and rear shocks. So it's a compression adjustment, 6 points for the front and 11 points of rebound adjustment for the rear. So the kit is available with a 550 or a 450 spring. Typically we use the 550 on an iron block LS or a big block, and the 450 we use on a small block or a aluminum block LS. This kit includes the spanner wrench, all new hardware, and everything it takes to install them. The only optional piece that I'm showing you right here is our ALD26 thrust bearing kit. The thrust bearings make it a lot easier to adjust the springs. For more information about Aldan American products or this particular kit, check us out at aldanamerican.com.